Alright, so today I'm going to tell you how you can make fingerprints at home that is going to get accepted. Many of the people said that the last trick which I told with the lead pencil that was not accepted by many government offices, let's say by NADRA for Pakistan. So then I decided to make a new way without ink pad. Of course, you don't need any ink pad. So what you need to do at home is the form on that. What, like, of course, you want to make fingerprints, then you need a sponge, any kind of, but better, of course, you can find this anywhere. A tissue paper of any kind, it doesn't matter which type it is, and an ink. That depends on you. You want actually blue one or black one, it depends on the requirements. Of course, some offices might ask you to take blue or black, so in my case it is actually black. So yeah, this also you can find on Amazon or you can find in your local shop. Of course, it's difficult to get actually ink pad at local shops, or some might of course get easily, but this video is about without having an ink pad and with only having an ink. Of course, this you need if you want to make fingerprints. If you don't want to use lead pencil as I told in the last video, then of course you can use any kind of ink that you have available at home. So what you need to do is, first, if I show you here, I need actually right thumb, right index, left thumb, left index. So as I'm holding my phone in order to make video, so I'm going to use only the right thumb and right index, right? So let's get started how you can do that. So most probably with this ink, you might find this kind of well, you can say kind of plastic with it that can help you to put ink on the sponge. Well, actually not. Then what you can do is you can put a little bit ink with the hand, with finger you can put here, or with the tissue if you can, like, hold it, put it around, make the oil, make the ink there and put it here. Of course, you can use in tissue also instead of sponge, but that is going to make a little bit more dark, more messy, so might have happen that computer will not accept that. So now let's get started. Of course, if you remember, if you saw the last video, then you would see that the ink or the prints that was very clear, like each and every single line of your finger was well visible there. But with this, it will not be in that case, but in this case, it will be actually acceptable. Because last like I got comments, many comments, that it is not getting accepted or something. So let's get started. So what you need to do is just take ink, put it on sponge. So put it that much area that it should cover your finger. So let me keep doing it for some time. Of course, it's not going to take time. Why I'm going to need tissue is because this ink might be in much quantity on your fingers, so it will of course create a very dark and very messy kind of figure. So that's why I need the tissue. So here you go. Now here is ink, already I put it. Now what I need to do is, here I'm going to use the right index. If you can see clearly, let me zoom it here. All right, now I took my finger, I put it there, and now if you see, it's quite dark. That's why I need a tissue. So in tissue I put it one time so that extra ink should go out. And then what I can do is just hold it. Do not roll the finger. That is a one rule actually. They might say that do not roll the finger left or right. So just you have to press it so that as much as you can press, and then you can take it out. Now if you see here, this ink is not so much clear, so let me try it once more. And if you don't need, of course, this finger, then you can use that also. Of course, you can use this finger also because there will be only ink. So what you can do is, let me put it in the left index one. So press it and take it out. Now this fingerprints, if you see, this is not good distributed. Like some lines are dark, some lines are you can say light, but this is going to get accepted. This is going to get accepted by NADRA because mine got accepted. I wanted to apply for actually my passport. So this is the trick that I used, and it worked. So I have my new passport, of course, delivered. So in this way, what you can do is you can use, of course, the tissue, but it depends. If you don't want to use the tissue, you can use any soft material like cloth or something. Just you have to make sure that it should not dry your finger like here, which I dried a lot with the tissue. So let me put thumb for you. Now let's see the thumb. Okay, so here you can see thumb. Now let me put it very light on this, and let me put in the right thumb place. So here you go, press it for some time and take it up. Now in this way, this fingerprint is going to get accepted because mine got accepted. So that is one proof. So I hope you like the video. If you have any other suggestion, any other question, of course you can comment, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe the video, and have a nice day.